Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Had your lunch?
Yes, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I had. Thank you. So just like purchase day book, topic sales day book. Then purchase day book, what we learn? It is a workbook for credit purchase, isn't it?
Yes.
So when we talk about sales day book, what we can say? It is a workbook for credit sales of goods. See, credit sales of goods. You are selling an old machinery or furniture on credit, we will not enter here. Just like purchase of machinery or furniture, we are not entering in purchase day book like that. Sale of old machinery, we will not enter here. If sale of old machinery against cash, we will enter in cash book. If it is on credit, we will enter in journal proper. So this sales book or sales day book is exclusively for credit sales of goods. When you are dealing in medicine, credit sale of medicine. When you are dealing in grocery, credit sale of grocery items. When you are dealing in mobile phone, credit sale of mobile phone. Credit sales only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in case of purchase, credit purchase, the creditor may be meeting some expense on behalf of the buyer. So we have to pay that amount also. That is our expense. Even though he is spending money, we are paying him. So we have to consider that it is our expense. Like that, when the seller is incurring any expense, we will debit customer. The second point, the expense met by seller is also debited to customer. Simple. The expense met by the seller is also debited to customer. The expense met by the seller is also debited to customer. You write this?
Yes, sir.
You wrote this, right?
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
So just like in purchase day book, based on the summary, we will pass journal entry. Journal entry is passed based on the summary. In summary in sales day book. That's all. One single journal entry is passed based on the summary in sales day book. Let us practice one problem.
Written, sir.
Okay, we will practice one problem. So I'm selecting some question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. I have to write that question and practice in the class. Question number 4. Can you read the first line? From the
Yes,
following.
sir.
From the following.
Sold to Mercy Gayatri T from the following transactions of Mercy's Ridhima Sales, Kolkata Prepare Sales Book, 2020 March 1. Sold to Mercy's Gayatri T, Assam, wide invoice number 2005, 3 chairs of tea for rupees 5,000 purchased less trade discount at rupees 5%.
Okay, we will do one by one. First, you write the first sentence. From the following transaction, after that, March 1, sold to Messrs. Gayatri. That sentence will you have to write. But you reserve a space for the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 8 or 9 lines enough. Reserve 9 lines. After writing the first 2 sentences, we will start writing the answer. After writing 2 sentences, you reserve space for another 7 lines. Okay. First, we will write the company name. Messrs. Ridhima Sales. Name of the company we are writing first. Name of the business enterprise. Okay. Name of the business enterprise. It's not a company. Maybe it is a business organization. Then we will write sales book. Are you seeing the workbook on the next page? 11.10. Are you seeing the children?
Yes, sir.
So that's a
Yes,
format.
sir.
That's a format we have to follow. Strictly, we have to follow that format. It's a workbook only. There is no debit or credit. Simply a workbook. Anyway, journal we are passing separately. So after writing 2 sentences, did you write the first 2 sentences? Including sold to Mrs. Gayatri. Did you write that? Regulars. Invoice number. Portfolio. Details. Sale value 5. Sale value 5 total. Follow the format strictly as per 11.10. Okay, what is the name of the supplier? It is compulsory. Who is a supplier?
Messrs. Gayatri Tea.
Yes. So after writing the supplier name, no need to underline. Write the description. What we are selling. 3 chest. Just like cartoon or box. 3 chests. At the rate is 5,000. 1 chest 5,000. So 3 chests. Chest means just like cartoon or box. 15,000. We are selling that item only. We are allowing trade discount. Less trade discount 10%. 5%. 750. 4250. So in purchase day book, in the cost column, we were writing the price of the goods. Here in sales book, there is no cost column, but there is sale value. Another column for any expense made by the supplier on behalf of the customer. Okay, that you know. Here no other expense, so only the value of the goods, same amount. Total also same. Then you write the second transaction. What is that? Sold to
Messrs. Mohan and Sons.
yes. So after one transaction, we will mark this. Second is 4 March. Yes. Mohan and Sons. What we are selling? What we are selling?
So butter.
Yes. With quantity details. How many quantity?
20 kg.
20 kg. At the rate?
250, sir.
Yes. So 20 into 250, it is 5,000. No other item. So trade discount we are allowing. So when we are learning this topic, we have to assume that we are selling like that. Less trade discount 5%. 250. Reducing 250 4 750. No response. Same amount is bill amount. Total is also same. Total is also same. No charges. Then we can write the third transaction. March 5. In March 5, we are selling to whom? On March 5, we are selling to whom?
Gary Sons
Messrs.
Delhi.
Gary Sons.
Contact message. Gary. So we are selling 20 kg tea, rupees 600. Twenty into 600, that is 12,000. Trade discount we have to issue before writing freight charges. That you know. If trade discount. 5% of 12,000 is 600. Balance 11,400. Add freight charges. We are paying freight. It is not our expense. We will add to, we will debit the customer. So workbook only we will show in the expense column. In detail, we are showing everything. How much is the freight? How much is the freight, children?
$1,600, sir.
By adding these two amount we want from the customer, isn't it? We are paying expense for him. We are paying expense for Messrs. Gary and Sons. So we have to collect that amount also, right?
Yes, sir.
13,000 is a here related to goods 11,400, related to expense, that is freight charge 1,000 total. Yes, sir. So what about the transaction on March 6? Why we are not entering? What's the reason? Can you read the transaction?
Yes, sir. Sold 10 kg Amul butter to Gangai boss for cash because it is involved in cash, sir. But we have to add only credit, sir.
So correct. What about the next transaction? That is also we are not entering. Why? What's the reason? March 7. Can you read that?
Yes, sir. Cash. Sold office furniture to Raman, sir, because we are the sales, we are selling furniture, sir.
Yes, fixed assets. Not goods. It is fixed asset. Fixed assets, furniture, computer, building,
Yes, sir.
all kind of fixed assets. We will not enter here. We will enter only goods. So now we can take the total, right? Details column we are not totaling. We are totaling the
Yes, sir.
other columns. So how much is total you are getting? 14250, 4750, 11,400.
$30,400.
Here only one expense 1,600. This total of these two columns should match with the total of the last column. Is it matching? Can you check? Otherwise, there is a mistake. Is it matching?
Sir.
Is it matching? Total of sale value and total of expense should be equal to total of last column. Total of total column. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How much is the total? So when we are passing journal entry, which account is to be debited? This account is to be debited. Yes. See, 30,400 is to be debited, right? Or credited. What is your opinion? It is sale value.
Yes, sir.
In accountancy, sale is debited or credited? This amount? Sale.
Credited, sir.
So for understanding easily, right here, CR. When you pass journal entry, it will be easy for you. Right, CR. CR means?
Credit.
Credited. Here.
Credit.
This expense is not our expense. Both this amount we will get from the customer, isn't it? both this amount? Are you understanding?
Yes.
So temporarily we are crediting. When you are getting the amount, we will reverse. Temporarily we are crediting this account. You may be having a question, why expense is credited? It's not our expense. We will debit the customer. Are you understanding? So temporarily we are crediting. When you are getting money from the customer, we will debit it, it will be disappeared. So I will show that how it is accounted after finishing this. Okay, 2 credits. What are the debits? We are debiting the customer, right? Who are the customer? 1, 2, 3 customers, right? Who are the customers?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Gayatri is a customer. Gayatri, Mrs. Gayatri. How much amount we will debit Gayatri? This amount.
14,250.
14,250.
Debit. You can write here debit. Then Mohan and Sons, we will debit this account. You can write debit. Gary,
4,750.
Gary Sons,
13,750.
13,000 we right. Before moving further, as a bright accountancy student, you have to do a small verification work. Total of all these debits should match with the credit. Is it cross verification? Before you pass journal entry, do this work. This work will be done by a bright accountancy student. Smart accountant student will be doing this internal verification. Then only think about the journal. So no need to by heart this subject. Are you understanding what I told? Children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A smart accountant student will be doing the cross verification. But how it is done? 3 debits are there. We are debiting the concerned customer account. 3 debits, total of 3 debits should match with the total of 2 credits. That's an easy way of
Yes,
learning
It is
accountancy.
matching,
Yes,
sir.
matching, sir.
Yes. So the topper, anybody who want to become topper will do this verification. Then only the topper will pass journal entry. See, now we are getting somewhat an idea about the journal entry we are going to pass. And we got the correct answer before writing journal entry also, we got the correct answer, right? Is matching? The answer
Yes,
is going to
sir.
be, answer is
Yes, sir.
this is a cross, in the cross verification, it is okay. That means we are going to get 100% right answer. So by seeing this, can you see the journal entry? For example, message
Yes, sir.
account debit.
Mrs. Gayatri T account debit.
How much?
Mr. Mrs.
And amount also.
1,250.
And Sons account debit
Amount also.
4,750.
Okay.
Mrs. Gary Sons account debit rupees 13,000.
Okay. Then 2. Sales.
To sales value rupees 30,400.
No. Not sales value.
And then freight and packing.
Don't say sales value. That is sales account only. We are writing sale value. To sales account, like that you have to say. To sales account.
To sales account rupees 30,400 and to freight and packing charge rupees 1,600.
Yes. That entry we have to pass. Then only the answer is complete. Their cross verification is not told in the book. But when you are learning accountancy, try to learn practically. No need to by heart anything. Are you feeling good with this kind of teaching? Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
So now we can pass journal entry. One journal entry. If you are not preparing sales book, how many journals we have to pass? 3 journal entries. Are you understanding? 3.
3.
Instead of 3, we are passing only
Yes,
one.
sir.
1. That is a benefit. number of journal entries are reduced. So one journal, I already told the journal entry, just say once again. Message Gayatri account debit,
Mrs. Gayatri account
Tea account
debit
debit
rupees 14,650.
yes.
Mrs. Mohan and Sons account
and Sons account
debit
debit
rupees 4,750.
50.
And then Mrs. Gary Sons account debit rupees
Debit
13,000.
30,000.
To sales account
To
rupees
sales account is
30,400.
30,100. To freight and packing charges account rupees 1,600.
Okay. Yes, super. This is a way. Then
Yes, sir. Writing questions, sir.
yeah, okay, okay.
Sir, the upper board is not able to see, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
So regarding the freight paid by the seller, I told you, I will explain later. This is explanation. Freight expense of the seller is reduced by this amount. Freight expense of the seller is reduced by this amount. Did you read this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Completed? Freight expense of the seller
Yes, sir.
is reduced by this expense. So I will prove this. Listen how it is done. Suppose, example, total, write this example, very important, total freight charges paid is rupees. Another example, okay, for proving that total freight charges paid rupees, total freight charges paid is rupees 12,000. Okay, in bracket include rupees 2,000 paid for a customer. Sir, we will take the same example, that will be nice. Same example, which include rupees 1,600 paid for, in our example, Gary and Sons. Customer message Gary Sons. Once again, total freight charged. Total freight charges paid is rupees 12,000. It include rupees 1,600 paid for a customer, Gary and Sons. So freight account will be looking like this. When we are paying the amount, are you seeing the board clearly? No?
Yes, sir.
When we are paying the amount, we are writing 12,000, whatever we are paying here. Here, see the journal entry, what we have done, freight charges is credited, right? Freight charges paid for message Gary and Sons is credited. So by Gayatri, by Gary, by message Gary Sons, rupees 1,000. So when you balance this account, freight charges is not 12,000. How much is the balance? 10,400. By balance carried on 10,000. You know how to balance account, we learned already. Just for proving that statement. And we will write here to balance brought down. Are you understanding, children? This account?
Yes.
Okay. Then you can show the notebook and leave the class.
Sir, to Miss Sir, one doubt, sir. By
Yes.
Miss Gary account, sir, and then what, sir?
By balance carry down 10,400. That's the balance, no? 12,000 minus 1600.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Balance in the account we already learned. Same amount of it will come here also. Simple.
Yes, sir.
After showing the notebook, you can leave the class. You'll be coming in the next year only, right? 2021.
Yes, sir.
For 1 year, we are not seeing. You will be coming the next year only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see after 1 year, after few hours, 2020 will be saying bye-bye to us. Take new pledges. We are going to achieve something. We should not worry about unnecessary things. When there is problem, we will face. Already we have problem, we are going to face. Don't run away from the problem. Don't spend too much time for prayer. You read the holy lessons, holy text, try to understand it and implement it. Spending more time for prayer, I don't believe. Personally, I don't believe. Try to do yoga, meditation, and small prayer, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Yes. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Can you show your notebook?
Thank you, sir. Advance Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Sir.
Thank you. After showing the notebook, you can leave the class. Okay, children. Show the notebook. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, shall I show, sir? Sir, are you able to see?
Yes, I am seeing. Okay, children. I am seeing. Hi. Next page. Okay, fine. You can leave. Who is next student?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Are you understanding accountancy? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not the best. Now Neha is showing. Kavishri has shown. Madhusri has shown. All the best. Be happy. Bye. Stay safe. Thank you. Well done.
Sir,
Try
you
to,
came to say something, sir.
now try to go through the topics we have learned, because after 3 days, if you are not having the touch, 100% chance is that you will forget. At least 1 hour you have to spend to do some practicals, otherwise you will forget.
Yes.
You select
Yes,
select some topics, especially last topics. Journal ledger balancing. Journal ledger balancing, most important. Okay. Journal ledger balance.
Yes, sir.
Plus the topics we have learned yesterday and today. That's some problem. Otherwise, you will forget when you have to learn from the beginning. After January, we will start +2 syllabus. So don't waste your time. Try to use whatever you have learned. Okay, children, all the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.